This emperor executed his own soldiers for sneezing. In 210 BC, China's first emperor Qin Shi Huang became deathly afraid of dying. He ordered his doctors to find the secret to immortality. When they failed, he became completely paranoid. He banned the word death in his palace. And if any servant or soldier even coughed or sneezed near him, they were executed on the spot. He forced thousands of people to build the Great Wall and his massive tomb. Many of them were buried alive with him when he finally died. To this day, his tomb remains sealed because it's filled with rivers of liquid mercury, the most paranoid ruler in history.